Hi, welcome to Boy Talk. May mga ilang kwento po ako at ilang imbitasyon para ho sa inyong lahat. Una, I'd like to talk about Alex Calleja, who for me is one of the best stand-up comedians in the country. Dalawang experiences that I'd like to mention. One, I had a chance to do an interview with Alex and his other friends, Filipino comedians, many years ago on The Bottom Line with Boy Abunda. Sa pag-uusap na yun ay naunawaan ko that comedy is serious business. And I appreciated Alex and his friends. I appreciated Filipino comedians. Hindi dahil sa hindi ko na-appreciate yung mga komedyante dati, but I started to look at comedians in a different light after that conversation I had with Alex and company. It was an enlightening conversation. Pangalawa, again, some years ago, I was about to host an event in the United States of America. Tumawag ako kay Alex. Sinabi ko, Alex, can you give me some lines, some punchlines, ika nga, because I'm not a comedian, but I wanted to do some light moments in my hosting because it was a serious event. Pinadala ko ni Alex ng mga linya na nakatulong po. I'm emphasizing the point that Alex as an artist is very generous. So, why am I talking about Alex? Because he has a show, Alex Calleja Tamang Panahon. And it's a stand-up comedy special which starts on Netflix on February 7th. And personally, I would like to invite you to support this. He's brilliant. He's a Filipino comedian. He might just allow you to see comedy again in a different perspective. Katulad nung nangyari sa akin when I had a conversation with Alex and his friends. Again, this is a Netflix special that starts February 7th. This is presented by Passion 5 Productions and FLM Creatives and Productions Incorporated. Of course, it's written by Alex Calleja and it is directed by Frank Lloyd Mamadil. Again, Alex Calleja, Tamang Panahon, a stand-up comedy special on Netflix. But we don't stop there because Alex has a show in Singapore. When is this? That's February 16. Kwentong Pag-ibig. The hilarious side of love, live na palabas sa Tagalog. At ito'y gaganapin sa Singapore. February 16, 2025 at 7 p.m. Stephen Rayadi Auditorium. So sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan sa Singapore, sana magkaroon ho tayo ng oras, magkaroon ho tayo ng pagkakataon na mapanood si Alex. It's, I'm sure, going to be a wonderful, funny show. Kailangan natin tumawa sa buhay natin, lalo na sa mga panahong ito. So thank you, Alex. One, for your show on Netflix, which is Alex Calleja Tamang Panahon, a stand-up comedy special, and Kwentong Pag-ibig, the hilarious side of love, live na palabas sa Tagalog, which you're doing in Singapore, February 16 at Stephen Rayadi Auditorium. From Alex, I want to go to my two good friends, the king and queen of Philippine concerts. I'm talking about Martin Rivera and Pops Fernandez, who are doing a concert on February 7 at the SM Mall of Asia Arena. Parang comeback ng dalawang royalties na ito. Always, forever. I remember when I used to be the publicist of Martin Rivera, and I did publicize a lot of shows of Pipay of Pops Fernandez. Both of them are very close to my hearts. Kaya itong imbitasyon na ito ay galing sa aking puso because it's a different experience when you watch a Martin and Pops concert. So Always, Forever will be held at the Mall of Asia Arena on February 7. Panoorin po natin. I would also like to take this chance to thank ang buong sambayanan, sila nanay, tatay at mga kapuso sa taus-pusong pagsuporta po sa Fast Talk. We are, this month of January and February, celebrating our second anniversary. We're moving towards our third year. At hindi po yun mangyayari kung hindi dahil sa inyong suporta, pagmamahal, tulong. Maraming salamat mula sa aking puso. Ang nakakatuwa lamang ay I continue to learn from the stars who come to the show. I would also like to say maraming salamat sa inyong tiwala. Maraming salamat for choosing to have fun with us every time you come to the show. To the advertisers for supporting us. To the men and women behind the cameras. To our bosses in Gym A7 for believing in my talent as a television talk show host. Because nobody does it alone. I am able to do Fast Talk because of the community that supports me every day. Nakakatuwa lamang kasi nung isang araw, I did an interview with Bini. May mga bagay na hindi mo na maalala pero nakalimutan ko na because I did an interview with them during COVID, I think 2020, Zoom interview. The clip was shown to me by MQ, Maylene Quintana, who manages Bini. Maylene happens to be the first cousin of my partner, Bong Quintana. So, pinakita sa akin ni MQ yung clip kung saan tinatanong ko ang Bini 5 years ago. Sabi ko, 5 years from now, nasaan kayo? Si Joanna ang sumagot. Sabi ni Joanna, Tito Boy, kasama ko pa rin ang aking mga kasama at nagwo-world tour kami. And then, sinagot ko si Joanna ng, say it. It's good to say what you want to happen because what you say happens. 5 years later, which is this year, 2025. 5 years later, ang Bini is embarking on a world tour. Lesson learned ay, paggaling sa puso at sinasabayan ng trabaho at sinasabayan ng dasal, what you say happens. Thank you, Bini, for inspiring us. The other week, I did an interview with Kimpi De Leon. Isang nakakaiyak na pag-uusap. Pero ang sarap pakinggan ni Kimpi. Ako'y umupo lamang at nakinig sa kaniyang kwento about family, love, forgiveness, at expectations and faith. Hindi ko malilimutan yung sinabi niya sa akin na nung nandun na siya kaharap ng kanyang tatay for that lunch where he was invited, sabi niya, Lord, this is not me. This is you. Kaya it brings me back to that line na kinapitan ko talaga nung COVID. Be still. Know that I am God. Kaya pag may mga pagkakataon na talagang parang bibigay na ako, o di kaya hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta, I go to that line. Be still. Know that I am God. And just a few days ago, I did an interview with Bubay naman ang Tekla. I appreciated their friendship. Napakaiba nila sa isa't isa. In many ways. Pero makikita mo yung living a life and embracing those differences. Na kaya naman talaga natin lahat. We do not have to impose ourselves on anyone. You can be different, I can be different. And we can have peace. We can work together. We can even love together. So, balang sinasabi ko lamang po, maraming salamat because sa Fast Talk, I continue to learn many things every day. Every single day. Every time I'm asked, anong nararamdaman mo pag pumapasok ka sa set ng Fast Talk? Sinasabi ko, it's my safe space. It is my happy place. Hindi lamang yung dalawang yun. Now, it's my learning space. I continue to learn. And I say, maraming salamat sa pagkakataon ito. So sa inyong lahat, this is all for now. I hope to see you again on another edition of Boy Talk. Dito lamang po sa The Boy Abunda Talk channel, sa Boy Abunda Official on Facebook, yung channel on YouTube, on my TikTok channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong support.